What's up, guys? Today we're checking out this smart lock. This is a SMONET smart lock with fingerprint and IC fobs. So you can use your fingerprint, keypad, or it comes with little IC fobs. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna unbox it. We're gonna show you how it works. Then we're gonna go set it up on my door so you guys can take a quick look at it. So let's get started, guys. So here's the front of the box, guys. Smart lock with fingerprint fobs. Advanced fingerprint identification. Works with Alexa. Does need something else that's sold separately for it to work. Here's the three colors they have. We have the black one, it looks like. Explains how you can use it. And you also have an app that you can download to use it. So here's a close-up of everything we get inside the box. So we do have the keypad right here. As you can see, it has a sensor right here for the fingerprint. It does have a lock that you can use with your regular key that comes with inside the box, and the fingerprint sensor as well. Here's the back of the lock itself, the keypad lock. Here's a mechanism right here where you plug in this front piece in there, and then you have to insert some batteries in here, and you can lock it from here. We also get the brackets to mount them, the gasket to keep it waterproof, the deadbolt, and a set of 3 keys. We also do get a user manual, and we get a stencil in case you need to make the holes on your door. But overall, everything comes inside so you can get started and install it. All right, guys, so here's a close-up of the lock itself. As you can see, it's a very nice finish. It looks flush on the door, which is nice and clean. There's 4 ways to unlock this. You can unlock it with the app. There's an app that you can download. You can unlock it with the key, so you can use your regular key as a backup whenever you need to unlock your door. You can unlock your door right here. Once you want to lock it, you can lock it as well. You can also unlock it with this key fob right here that you can program in the app. You can literally just slide it by your door lock, and you'll be able to unlock your door just like that. Once you're ready to lock your door, you can hold any button and it'll lock the door. Other ways you can unlock this is by doing your fingerprint. You can set that up in the app. So all you would do is just press your fingerprint. Once you program it, you'll get a green light and it'll unlock your door. Another way you can unlock it is also by setting up a unique code, putting in your code and then the number button, and that's how you unlock it. But overall, it was an easy install. It only took us about 15 minutes or less to get it set up. So 4 ways to unlock it. And then let me show you what it looks in the back. And here's how it looks in the back, guys. So as you can see, flush finish. You insert your 4 AA batteries, lock it from the inside if we want to, unlock it as well. And very nice, clean install. So we really hope this video helps you guys out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.